Right guys, so we are here at Lancaster Town Hall in Lancashire, and we are going to be going into the council building. Let's see if any parts of Lancaster have some saviour, because we know the job centre didn't. The castle was kind of a hit and miss. So we will just have to see if there is any redemption here at Lancaster Town Hall. Well, it's a massive, massive building. Look at that, guys. It is stunning though, to be fair. It dates back hundreds of years as well, I think. But I will get some history on the top of that. The guy in front of me just buzzed it. Staff entrance, huh? Is that the public entrance there, mate?
Next one.
Next one? Yeah, so the guy in front of us was a member of staff, guys. Look at these vans. Promote city coastal livings. There's a piece of paper in one of them. Let's just take a minute just to admire the depth of these buildings, like the old church, and then you've got the town hall itself. That's massive. Customer service entrance. Let's have a little look, see, shall we? Beautiful, beautiful. Open doors. That's what we like to see. I feel like that member of staff's going to have mentioned. I just come to have a little look around. Is this all public? Perfect, thank you. Oh well, there's reception. All these little booths, people go in. A couple of them have got lights on though, but have a little look. It's like a desk room. Local information, guys. Recycling. There's all your paperwork, get a job and stuff like that. Phone, what's the phone for? Homeless team, council benefits, council tax rates, electric licensing. And you got all these computer screens as well to use, built-in computers. There's council. Yeah, you got loads of stuff. Oh, she's just pointed at us. She pointed to say we were filming. Yeah, there's another one of these phones, guys. For your council inquiry staff. They're definitely on us in here today though. Got all this waiting area. Yeah, definitely all over us now. Mentioning us to people. Yeah, I don't know if you saw that on camera, but the first woman pointed at the woman with grey hair. As if to say, like, he's down there filming. That woman definitely told that woman that we were filming and that we're here. So we'll just wait around and see. Just close up on some of these documents here. Feel free to pause it and have a read. Close, did you know if you've got home disabilities, it can give you a bath, as in coming in stone. All this paperwork here. I can hear them using a radio though, guys. I don't know whether they're using that for us or not. I would assume it's for us though, because we're in filming a lawful building, doing a lawful activity, in a lawful way. But yeah, they're definitely radioing security about us now, which is a shame, because see, the security do need to know that we have a right to film, and that we're doing illegal activity here, guys. But yeah, so we are just filming the information. Yeah, no, I haven't. They're having a crack about us. Don't know who it was she was talking to there. I was too busy listening to them on the radio, but yeah. Let's go in for a GPDR breach. Massively there. Go in for a GPDR breach. Yeah, no, they're not happy that we're here. Like, I don't think there's any other public bits of the building that we can explore, to be honest. I think this is just it. But she was definitely here a second ago talking to somebody. I was just trying to listen to one of them on their headset because they were on the radio about something. There we go. So we'll just see. See what's what. Yeah, no, definitely.
Anyone assisting you, sir?
No, I'm just having a look round.
Okay, are you coming to customer service or?
Just looking around the building.
You know, there's a little bit security issue if you're looking around the building and you're not dealing with the customer service.
Why is that?
I mean, we are a public building, but you're going around, obviously, clearly recording our property. You are covered, so we not really see exactly what is your meaning of being over here.
Mm-hmm. So you just said it yourself, public building.
Yeah, it's a public property.
Where am I stood?
However, if you're not coming dealing with a member of the staff,
Where am I stood?
or required a refreshment, you know, or even a restroom,
Where am I stood?
you sit on the floor.
In the public lobby.
Mm-hmm. But again, it's for a business here.
Okay, well, it's for anybody to come and have a look around because it's a public building.
Come and look around, it's a slightly different, you know, you're recording the footage and then you put it on social media.
Am I? I didn't say I'm doing that, did I?
So
Did I say I was putting it on social media?
I don't saying that you saying that.
You just said that I said that.
I have seen your footage, so I know exactly what you're doing.
Oh, right, okay.
Can we assist you, sir?
No,
Yeah?
just having a look around the public building. Because it's paid for by the taxpayer.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, is there anywhere else public in this building you can go? Or?
No, this is the only place which is open to the members of the public.
Oh, right, okay. So, have you subscribed?
Yeah, no, I agree with the channels like this.
No.
No, sorry.
Informing people, because I mean, Lancaster has had a hit and miss response. The job centre did all right, but
Yeah.
police station didn't.
Yeah, I just not agree with that type of, footage. You know, I absolutely love Lancaster and I'm proud to live here.
Yeah,
and
your
I love
council's
to
got a good
see
start.
things, but you know, when it's going to the inside of the property, it's
Public.
I feel it need to be uneasy. Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
But it's lawful and legal, and it's a public building paid for by taxpayers. I'm a taxpayer.
Yeah, but you can understand that we will come and ask you a question if you are coming and try and push different doors and looking around, you know.
That's fine, I haven't tried pushing any doors.
You know, we will come and ask you if you are alright. We just
Yeah,
concerned
no,
about
I heard them on
yourself,
the
wanna
I
make
heard
sure
them on the
that-
radio, yeah.
Yeah, we just want to make sure that, you know, you are alright and we can assist you.
No, I'm just going to have a look round.
Yeah, no, that's absolutely fine, thank you.
Perfect.
And
Is
if we
it,
can help you, just please let us know.
how old is the building?
112 years old.
Wow, because I like old buildings. So what's this? When you come through the Ginnelway, what's this entrance building here? What's that?
That's an old fire station. That used to be actually a fire station.
And how old's that?
Slightly older. The details is all available on the general website if you want to search for the Lancaster.
Yeah, I'll have a little look, thank you.
Yeah, definitely. amazing properties.
Yeah, I like old buildings. I like the history. I like to know what services you guys offer. What services do you offer?
Again, all the details is on the Lancaster City Council website. It's all dependent what service you require.
Are you a manager?
I'm looking after this property, yes.
So you're a manager.
And the safety of this property, so that's why I come in asking you.
I've come peacefully. I've not been hostile to any members of
So
staff.
I don't say that you are, hostile with anyone else. I just come in and asking you politely, can we assist you?
Yeah, that's absolutely fine, yeah.
Yeah, brilliant.
Done all right so far, to be fair. I'm just going to wrap a few things up and I'll be on my merry way.
Yeah, brilliant.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Nobody's rang the police or anything now?
I mean, why there's a reason. You know
I don't know. Kendall did.
You know.
Kendall failed massively. Massively.
I mean, you must understand that in this stage and age, safety and security is a priority of any council. Yes, it is a public property. However, your face are covered. You have a camera in front of you. We're not really sure what is your, requirements here and what we could expect. So our priority is the safety of our staff.
Yeah, I appreciate that. I've not been hostile to anyone though, have I?
So yeah, we just want to make sure that.
No, that's fine. As for the face covering, it's because I've got a health condition. So I've got an underlying health condition. And as you can see, it's clearly visible, but it's covering my
again,
mouth.
we are standing 2 meters apart, at least 2 meters
Yeah,
apart.
yeah. Well, it's more for when I come into, put people trying to push me out of buildings and
for
start.
For a health condition, I would more suggest surgical mask.
This is surgical. It's surgical grade. I mean, 2 years ago it was legal it was law for everybody to wear a mask, and now I continue to wear a mask. It seems to be an abnormal thing, which is crazy because, it was only the guy in the wig 2 years ago telling everyone not to leave the house, and you had to wear a face mask. I wore a face mask before COVID was a thing, so yeah.
But I'm sure you appreciate that, we
You can see my face visibly though, can't you?
I cannot see your face. What I can see is just your eyes and a tiny little bit of eyebrows. That's it. So
that's enough to identify me though, isn't it? So, do you offer any other services here? Homeless team, stuff like that, benefits?
Again, Lancaster City Council website will tell you all the details, and when someone is attending to this property, you know what service is required. So it's very rare someone come in.
So what are these rooms then? What are these?
Again, this is a room which is used when required. Currently, you do not have a need of the using of that room, so that are used rooms which are in use when required.
So if people come in and have an appointment, they use those rooms?
Not necessary.
Okay. So what else do the rooms get used for? Can you go for a nap?
Are you fancy going for the nap?
No, I don't fancy a nap. I don't fancy a nap. Where are you from? Are you from Lancaster?
I am from Lancaster.
Originate from Lancaster?
Absolutely.
Where's the accent from?
From Lancaster.
That's not Lancastrian.
No way.
Fair enough, fair enough. Well, I'm almost done here, to be fair.
Brilliant.
Definitely want to know where that Lancaster accent's from. Though. You can tell me where the accent's from.
You can also give us a call and we can assist you over the phone.
Okay. You're not going to tell me where the accent's from?
From Lancaster.
That's not from Lancaster. Tell you what, you tell me where the accent's from, I'll tell you my name.
France.
France? See, yeah, you got me on that one. I thought France. I didn't think France. Thought Polish.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for yours.
Too many subscribers because obviously that's your income.
No, do you know,
the generation of the income.
it's just for like people that can't get out of the house, a bit of building history, bit of everything really.
The history is not really from customer service. That's
Why? If I was homeless, I'd like to come to a council that's a 1,500-year-old building.
But that's not the history. You're not looking for history. You're looking for assistance, which you will be done.
But the history on the building goes back 1,500 years.
What history of the building will not help you with getting council house or
No, but if the council can keep it running for 1,500 years, they're doing something right.
Yeah, I'm not really sure if the right one though.
Oh dear. So, we can still hear them, they're still sort of slagging us off. I don't know whether they're being nice in a patronising way, or if they're being nice in general. I feel like it's patronising. You can hear them having a giggle about us. Emergency first aid course. Yeah, wanted to hear what the radio chatter was about, but it would seem not. I don't know. They're a bit smarmy. They're being smarmy, over polite, laughing and giggling round the corner. You know, yeah, that's a prime example. Laughing and giggling round the corner. Yeah. Yeah, no, they were laughing and giggling. They were definitely being smarmy. I don't know, she was being polite. She was being polite. But she was being over polite. She was being over nice. She was being a bit zealous, you know? I don't think zealous is the right word. She was being a bit pedantic. But yeah, apparently that's an old fire station. And there's the town hall in all its beauty. But yeah, no, she was. I don't know. I can't put a tone on the vibe. You know, notice how we didn't have to give the name out though. But yeah, she was definitely being a bit. I don't know, over nice, because she knew fine well what we were doing. But it was there, can I assist you in anything, like the sort of like vibey tone I got from it. And then as soon as I turned my back, they were around the corner whispering. And the first one, when she was pointing, that's why I stood filming them computer screens for a second, because the first one, when she was filming, when I was filming the first one, she went across and she said something like, don't say anything to him because you'll get a reaction. And then obviously she walked back past, and as she walked back past, she said something to someone else. I thought, well, that's definitely a thing. That's why I stood there filming the computer screens a little bit longer, because I just wanted to see what they said. Then they were on the radio, and then she turned up, and yeah, she's from France. So shout out to Lancaster Town Hall. You weren't rude, so I've got to give you, I'd say 3.5 stars. The smarminess, I don't know, I just felt a bit of smarminess, and I just can't get over it. But you've got a beautiful building and a beautiful little walkway, and yeah, beautiful old fire station. It's obviously now a council building. Don't know what that building is straight ahead though. I think that's the courts. And then you've got the town hall, the old fire station and town hall. Beautiful little driveway, runway. Beautiful little garden just walking down. It's a nice sunny day, nice afternoon. Big iron gates. I don't know what those signs are on the big iron gates though. And I'm sure somebody can comment, tell me. I think that's the crest of Lancaster. And then just have a little spin round and you can see the runway and the town hall building in all its glory for the sun setting behind it. Yeah, it was definitely worth a look back, that, because that is a beautiful building, guys. But as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow the channel, help me get into YouTube's algorithm, build the channel, and I will catch you in the next one.